We're back. Hopefully the rain holds off. It's gloomy. I don't know if that's the smoke from the Canada fires or what, but got a truck bed full of goodies. That's Idaho's favorite right there. Trying to leave home without it, but I really can't. So yeah, we're gonna start, it says low rain at 10, but that ain't enough to mess anything up, I don't think. So good thing it didn't. I'm gonna start getting this key in here, and then I'm gonna get Idaho, start pumping this thing down. Getting her pumped down. Should be good. We should be able to, I don't see any problem with getting this key done today. We should be able to get that no problem. And then I'm gonna, once we get the water pump down, get this stuff out of here. When we bring that clay, I'm gonna come across this whole front dam with new clay and pack it in. I think the material, like I said yesterday, in here is really good. We'll find out here shortly. See, I got it as a barrier here for any of the stuff so it doesn't go in the water. And then we'll, once the water's down, then I'll clean that up. I tell you, this all right here is really good material. I can feel even when I'm digging it. It's solid. So I think the only real leak is over here in the center where that dang muskrat went through it. See, them tree roots, them ain't good. Water will follow that for sure. Let's get out of here and take a look, see what we got. Yeah, a little bit of water coming through there, but that's pretty tight. I tell you, you can feel when you're digging where the wet spots was, where there was a root, where it was coming through there, there's water, and I could feel it was just softer. You're digging hard clay and then it pulls easier. That's just kind of, you can tell by the feel. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's leaking really. Not here, like I said, the bad spot was down there, but for security, I want to go all the way down. Yeah, it's not leaking here. I mean, it had a little bit of water coming through where that root was, but that's it. I'm not gonna get too far ahead of myself. I'm gonna grab a dozer, start getting that out, and then I'm gonna put this back in and then stop. And I got bentonite I'm gonna probably put on that leading edge just for security measures. Like I said, the troubled area is right here. That's where it sank down, you can totally see, but just for security reasons, I'm doing the whole dang thing. Kind of stinks tearing up something that's not, but you never know. You might dig through and you'll find a root somewhere where it's going out, but that was the major main line. Never used bentonite before. Guy told me just mix it in, kind of with the soil, just kind of pour it in there. Said it's an insurance policy. Which I actually bought this for my pond because the soil is just so mixed up when they did it. They didn't have all good clay, so it's going through seams. This here is all good clay, but the insurance policy of it, we'll put some down here where it's wet and stuff, and can't hurt. Look who showed up. Get you a bump off that thing, see.
Who's here?
The man, the man, the myth, the legend.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
That's good stuff, ain't it?
That's really good. White peach. Is that new?
Yeah, summer edition.
Man, we sent Job a whole case of them. So here it is. Here comes the rain. It's got a new GoPro. It says 13 black, but it's white. Oh, special edition. What a mess. I hate this tacky stuff. Sticking in the bucket. Slamming. I just asked him if it would be, today's Thursday, if we would be doing this until this job finishing up next week sometime. He's like, oh no, we'll get this core in today. I was like, yeah, that's no problem. But man, she wants to dig out from that tree over there all the way back to this corner and make that increase the size of the pond. Then you got all this cleanup. Those are hours. We'll see. Just got to keep it spinning and digging one bite at a time. Packing it in. It don't look like much of an angle, but you got a full bucket of material in there. It's heavy. All the weight on this one track. Cattails. That's what those muskrats come for. They pull them out and the bottom's like a potato almost. They freaking eat those roots. Muskrats, they'll keep a muskrat in a pond for sure. I dealt with them in my pond at the house. Over the years, I probably caught 15 muskrats in there. And now I did the riprap around my pond. I don't see any of them anymore, but now my struggle is Canadian geese. They are protected. I don't know why. There's plenty of them. Well, I hope it don't rain like this long.
Just when you get going, Mother Nature kicks you right where you need to be kicked. We're gonna go down to look. Idaho's buddy has a compactor down the road. We're gonna go check it out.
Insurance.
There's the sheep's foot. Think it's a little too big, don't you, Idaho?
That's yeah, I don't even want to run that.
Yeah.
Maybe out in the middle of a field, but not on a dam.
Well, let's go keep searching.
Good
Yeah.
God, that thing's huge.
Yeah.